Hi, I'm Rob, and today I'm going to show you the portable X-ray system designed by Livermore Tech and Aspen Imaging. As you'll see, it comes in this hard shell and lightweight carrying case. It has a handle on it and a customizable numeric passcode so you can protect your equipment. So I'll just open it up here. You'll see that we designed custom foam inserts to protect your portable X-ray system and all the accessories. So I'll take the device out here. This is the portable X-ray system. And here's the lens or the collimator. See, it has some lead shielding on the inside. Anyway. Comes with a wireless mouse to operate the system if you feel more comfortable. A 2-position hand switch with a coiled cable. A laser light that plugs into one of the USB ports to ensure that you're aligned. And all of the charging accessories. So I'll show you the portable X-ray system now. Let's take this part off. On the inside, you'll see that we have an integrated monosource X-ray tube and generator. And this uses a Toshiba insert and a 100 kilohertz high frequency X-ray generator here. Up at the top, you'll see we have 2 sets of buttons. This one is for power for the system, and these 2 buttons are to change your technique up and down if you don't want to do it from the touchscreen application. Okay, over here we'll show you we have 2 USB ports, a 2.0 and a 3.0, and we have a button here to take exposures if you don't want to use the hand switch. Down here we have 2 ports. This is for the hand switch, and this is for your charging accessories. And I'll tell you a bit about the PC. This is a 7-inch touchscreen here, and this is running the latest OS from Microsoft. And we actually load your workstation directly on here, so you don't need a PC or laptop with you. This has some onboard storage, so if you're not in range of Wi-Fi, you can save your images directly to the device, and then when you get on your Wi-Fi network later, you can upload these to packs. We also install Teamviewer on here, so we can provide you with remote support. We could get into your system and help you configure some settings. On the bottom of the system, you'll see we have a port there to connect our portable stand. Now I want to show you a little bit more about the lens attachment. You can see on the inside, this is lead shielded for radiation safety. We also have a few different versions of this with longer cone lengths and one with a backscatter attachment. Okay, and lastly, I want to talk about the onboard battery. So this uses a lithium-ion battery, and from empty to full charge, the total time is about 2 hours. And the standby battery life, this will last about 1 week. And while in use, it will vary depending on the size of the exposure. And the plug for this plugs directly into a residential outlet to charge. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. For more information on this device as well as the other X-ray systems, please contact Aspen Imaging or Livermore Tech.